In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening settings. Now scroll down to hit security and privacy. Then scroll all the way down and click on app lock. Then enter your privacy password. If you don't have it, go back, click on More Security and Privacy, choose Privacy Password at the top, and set it up here. I will delete mine to show you. Simply tap on Privacy Password, pick one of those password types, numeric, alphanumeric, or pattern. If you change your mind, tap on Use a different password type and pick one of those. Then create it, repeat it, set up recovery email in case you forgot it and choose Confirm, and answer security question. If you don't like it, pick one of those, or hit Custom question and create your own. Then hit Confirm and answer it correctly below. Finally, hit Done. So now when you have privacy password, you can go back and click on App Lock. Enter it. Click on gray switcher next to App Lock to activate it, and to lock any app, use gray switcher next to it. Then go back, and when I try to access mine, I can see that privacy password is required. To disable app lock from any app, go back to the same settings. Click on Locked section here and tap on blue switcher next to the chosen one. To disable app lock completely, tap on blue switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!